Guys, we are in the basement at my cave. These are my cave in the house. My different collection of shoes. It's 22 pieces, not using, only stock, preserved in my basement. See? There's some paper on the top. It means that's a brand new shoes. There's a Asics, New Balance, Skechers, Converse, HH, Adidas, Ripson. And this second layer is the Under Armour, two Under Armour, one Reebok, Puma, and other type of Air Max, plus the gray Nike. These are my collection, and on the top it's NBA shoes. Like we can start Kevin Durant, KD. It's only stock. Like Kyrie Irving. See, it's stock. And what's this? NBA shoes also is I forgot the name. It's a long name. So this brand, no name here. Guatemala, that's like this. And then the other one is LeBron James. See, that's the LeBron James shoes. Nike. Okay. LeBron James. The other one is Kyrie Irving also. The leather upper Zoom. See? So the other one is Kyrie, Steph Kyrie. See? Steph Curry. See? I have only one, but still new until now. How many years stock? Maybe they say 2 to 3 years. So there's a 2 to 3 years, 3 years. There's a 2 to 3 years, 3 years, 3 years. And one and only is Harden shoes. Adidas Harden shoes. See? That's all my brand new stock on NBA on the top. Kevin Durant, Kyrie, Guatemala, and LeBron James, Kyrie, Steph Kyrie. That's my different collection of shoes. So, still new. This is my leather shoes. Different collection, not included in front door. Okay, that's all my brand new clothes with tag. It's a Levi's. See, it's a brand new shirt. Until now, it's brand new. How many years? Oh, see, till now it's brand new. How many years stock only? See, but it's good. No need to shopping a long time. See, even the boxer shirt, the Under Armour new shirt I used one time. different kinds of used clothes. Okay. So for me, this is my stuff on my cave. Different perfume. It's Armani, Giorgio Armani. Okay. I have a Swiss perfume here. Snowflower, Victorinox. I like it. I have Juban. Collection of perfume. Lacoste. Lacoste. Until now, how many years? Maybe they say more than 10 years to me. This perfume. And also this Armani maybe is 9 years. Yeah. With David Beckham. Okay. I have a Versace perfume. Versace perfume. One of my I'm using every go to church. And different I have a Gucci also. Gucci. And I have different of flavor of Versace. Okay. Different smell of perfume of Versace. See, because I don't like to buy a big one because of I'm bored the smell. See, different. I need a different smell every time I go to church, so I'm comfortable. See, Versace Yellow Diamond and Versace Bright Crystal. Okay, so many flavor of this Versace. See, how many years using this perfume? I like to use this every time I go to church. Okay. See, different clothes is used. Different brand. See, it's a stock. A different backpack with rope, rope Adidas back up. See, light bag only. Sa Nike. Okay. We have an Under Armour. Okay. That's my stuff and stock. Basement. Different Levi's collection. Levi's collection. Midnight Blue collection. See, 514. Okay, and my special, always my favorite, the Case jeans and the camouflage, another camouflage pants for rugged style. Okay, so not only that, my pants. This is used pants, and this is by use also after using in the church. I have a brand new here. It's George with tag until now. How many years? Maybe there's a 5 year stop here. Okay. And there's a heavy stretch skinny jeans. Okay. It's a George also. Slim fit. Still brand new because I'm using the other one. And I have another new Denver Hayes stretch cargo. It's still brand new because I'm using the other one. See, I buy two before when I was working in construction. See, still brand new until now with tag. It's legit brand new. And then I have two pieces of this. One is hanging there and one is here, still brand new. See, that's only my pants, my collection, shoes, everything. Because my ambition before become a model. See, still brand new. Levi's jeans, denim. Okay, another pants because I buy three pieces of Levi's, same style. This the amount until now. See, with the tag. And one of the most one of my favorite is a US Polo. It's a light black color, stretch, straight cut. So guys, this is my investment to become it's like a I like passion, so this is my passion. You know, it's not important about the money. The important here is you can do the thing that you are become happy, a reward, and a gift for yourself. So this is use a Wrangler black is use Guess jeans. Okay, we have a Levi's Stonewash camouflage by Denver Hayes. And then a denim by Levi's. Devon Hayes stretch and George by skinny jeans. Okay. Last but not the least, the Levi's rugged style with garter. It's like a baston style, baggy. Okay. And I like the color like acid wash plus Levi's. So guys, going to church. So no time again to finish this all videos to vlog. So if you and please uh, click the button notification bell for new videos upcoming and then subscribe. So that's it for now. See you again, guys.